Hi, I'm Angela with ICI Homes, and I'm here at Chelsea Place, located in Ormond Beach, Florida. I am standing outside of one of our showcase homes that is available for purchase. This floor plan is called the Amelia. It is 2,090 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look inside. For this Amelia, we have the Craftsman Elevation. This is an award-winning floor plan and is actually one of our models here at Chelsea Place. This home offers a split floor plan. You have your 2 guest bedrooms with a full bathroom. Very high ceilings. Dining room. Vaulted ceilings with white painted wooden beams. Flows right into your kitchen. Gathering room. And these large pocket sliders that open up to your extended covered lanai. Look at all this privacy back here. This is all protected conservation. Beautiful views. Oversized master suite. It's a 19 by 14. And again, this home is only 2,090 square feet. This Amelia Showcase home will be completed in January or February of 2018. Please give us a call today to set up your VIP tour or for more information.